Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Japan Kit Kat is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after chocolate treats in the world, famed for its unique and diverse flavors that go far beyond the original milk chocolate. From matcha and wasabi to sake and even yuzu, these aren't your average Kit Kats, offering a delightful fusion of classic confectionery and Japanese culinary creativity. Prepare to embark on a delicious adventure as we explore the world of Japanese Kit Kat. Number 5. TONOSAMA Kit Kat 16 PCS. Introducing a delightful assortment of 16 miniature Kit Kat bars, each with a unique and surprising flavor. Get ready for a delicious adventure. This collection boasts a variety of exciting tastes, from classic green tea to the unexpected wasabi and rum raisin. There's a Kit Kat for every palate. Experience the delightful blend of strawberry cheesecake and pancake Kit Kats. Each bite is a journey for your taste buds. It's the ideal present for birthdays, parties, or any occasion that calls for a sweet treat. Share the joy. Tonosama's passion for Japanese sweets and Kit Kats shines through in this unique selection. It's a gift that brings smiles and happy memories. If you live in a warm climate, remember to chill it before enjoying. This will ensure that you savor it at its best. What we like. It boasts a delightful variety of 16 miniature Kit Kat bars, each with a unique Japanese-inspired flavor. This makes it a perfect present for any occasion, especially birthdays or parties. If you're looking for a fun and delicious gift that's sure to impress, this is the one for you. What people say. It was a very fun gift for one of my daughters. It was essentially rolling the dice on the flavors because half the time you can't even figure out what the heck they're supposed to be. Purchased these to try out flavors from another country of Kit Kat. This was the perfect sampler size. We got to try so many different flavors of Kit Kat available from another country. Interesting Japanese flavors, such as hoji tea, manju, with enko, and so on. One had a sticky marshmallow coating. Just a lot of fun. Number 4. Kit Kat Strawberry, Japan import. Get ready to experience a delightful treat. These Japanese Kit Kats offer a unique strawberry flavor you won't forget. The iconic Kit Kat bar, now with a delicious strawberry twist. It's the perfect snack for any occasion. Each bite is bursting with fresh strawberry flavor. Enjoy the smooth chocolate and crisp wafer combination. These Kit Kats are imported directly from Japan, ensuring the highest quality and authentic taste. A whole bag of 12 bars means you can share the deliciousness or savor them all yourself. Enjoy. These delightful treats are perfect for sharing with friends and family, or keeping all to yourself. The choice is yours. What we like. This option offers a classic and simple pleasure with 12 delicious strawberry Kit Kat bars. It's perfect for those who appreciate a familiar favorite with a Japanese twist. If you love strawberry and want a straightforward, satisfying treat, this is your best bet. What people say. They are about 2 inches long, normal width. Each individual pack inside has 2 Kit Kats. The taste is outstanding, as you would expect from Japan. The taste is kind of perfumey, but in a good way. It's pink white chocolate coated Kit Kat with kind of sourish strawberry kind of powder inside, making for a nice sweet and sour delicious little treat. They're really, really good. Number 3. Japanese Kit Kat and Tirol Variety Pack. Get ready to explore a world of exciting Japanese chocolate flavors. This variety pack is filled with 30 individually wrapped Kit Kats and Tirol chocolates, each bite-sized and bursting with deliciousness. These delightful treats may be smaller than what you're used to, but they're packed with intense flavor. Prepare for an unforgettable chocolate experience. With 30 different Kit Kat and Tirol chocolates, every piece offers a unique taste adventure. Discover your new favorite flavor. It's important to know that it's shipped refrigerated, but it may melt during shipping, especially to warmer areas. We recommend ordering during cooler months. This vibrant box is perfect for sharing with friends and family, or simply indulging in a moment of pure chocolate bliss. It's a gift that keeps on giving, one delicious bite at a time. The colorful box itself adds to the excitement. It's a feast for the eyes, as well as the taste buds. What we like. This vibrant variety pack includes a mix of 30 Kit Kat and Tirol chocolates, offering a delightful range of flavors. The colorful box makes it an ideal gift for friends, family, or even yourself. If you enjoy trying new flavors and appreciate a visually appealing presentation, this is the choice for you. What people say. The Japanese Kit Kat and Tirol 30PC assortment has been an absolute treat, offering a delightful exploration of flavors not commonly available in the United States. This pack is a must-have for anyone with an adventurous palate and a love for unique sweets. The variety of Kit Kat flavors is mind-boggling, each one presenting a different taste sensation. From matcha to sake-infused, the Japanese Kit Kat assortment takes the traditional chocolate bar to a whole new level. The packaging, although not always in English, turned out to be part of the fun. Using Google Googles to translate and unveil the mystery of each flavor added an interactive and enjoyable element to the whole experience. It felt like embarking on a flavor adventure, discovering new and unexpected taste combinations. Number 2. KitKat Japan 10 Flavors. Get ready for an exciting taste adventure. This box contains 20 KitKats with 10 unique Japanese flavors. It's the perfect way to explore new taste sensations. Each flavor comes in pairs, so you can savor every delicious bite twice. Share the fun with friends or enjoy this delightful treat all by yourself. Prepare to be surprised. It features unexpected and exciting flavors like wasabi and purple sweet potato. This is a truly unique KitKat experience. These delightful treats are ideal for parties, gatherings, or as a special gift for someone you care about. It's a present that's sure to impress. Discover the latest limited edition KitKats from Japan. It's a chance to stay ahead of the curve and experience the most innovative flavors. This assortment brings the exciting tastes of Japan right to your door. Enjoy the unique and delicious flavors of this special KitKat collection. What we like. With 20 KitKat bars and 10 unique flavors, each flavor is represented twice, ensuring you can savor each taste. It's great for sharing or enjoying a diverse range of flavors. If you want to explore a wider variety of Japanese KitKat flavors, this is the perfect option. What people say. Comes with a paper that explains all the flavors. It has some unique flavors. Good variety of different flavors. Number 1. DagashiyaBox Japanese KitKat. Experience the excitement of discovering unique KitKat flavors from Japan. This box is filled with a delightful variety of tastes, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. It's more than just chocolate, it's an adventure for your taste buds. Each bite offers a surprising and delicious journey through Japanese flavors. This collection includes a mix of regular favorites and limited edition KitKats. You'll find exciting and rare flavors you won't find anywhere else. With so many bars, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Share the fun with family and friends, or savor them all yourself. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves to explore new tastes and experiences. Give the gift of delicious Japanese adventure. The colorful packaging adds to the excitement. It's a treat for the eyes and the taste buds, creating special moments and memories. What we like. This massive box contains 70 to 80 individually wrapped KitKat bars in a huge variety of exciting flavors. It's the ultimate gift for sharing with friends, family, or anyone who loves a surprise. If you're looking for a fun and exciting gift with a huge variety of flavors, this is the one to choose. What people say. They loved trying all the flavors and the candy did not come melted like a lot of shipped chocolates do. Most importantly, I received an amazing variety of flavors. Received 8 flavors of the Japanese KitKats. Expiry dates were well into 2025. Chocolate is in perfect condition, i.e. not melted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.